Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Aiza Leonador Astrero, 23 years old, with one son, aged 6 months old. I have 5 sisters and 2 brothers, and I am the 6th child of the family. I am currently living in Pinoma, Cauayan City, Isabela, and I graduated Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Filipino at Isabela State University, Cauayan Campus.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
My work experience are dedicated volunteer teacher at Pilgrims Evangelistic Academy of Christian Education School or Peace School, teaching values education to grade 7 students. And I have also work experience as a secretary at Maxi J Auto and Tire Supplies as a secretary. I managing sales and inventory of the store. I have also experience as a housemaid during my college to support my study. I serve to a couple and their 1-year-old daughter. My main duties is to take care of their child and doing household chores like cleaning, cooking, ironing, and laundries.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am, sir. I hope you select me as your employee. I am dedicated, hardworking, honest, and responsible person. I will promise that I will serve your family with all my best. Thank you.